Hi, welcome to the Wyoming Department of Health Aging Division, Community Living Sections. New Directors Training Funding Sources. Federal funds authorized by Congress under the Older Americans Act, OAA, are administered by the Administration on Community Living in Washington, D.C. Individual states are allocated a portion of this funding based on census data. State funds through the Wyoming Department of Health Aging Division Community Living Section are appropriated each biennium by the Wyoming Legislature. The funds are budgeted to specific programs and must be used for the purposes intended by the legislature. Grants, federal and state funds, program income, local match, including cash and in-kind. Older Americans Act, OAA, Section 315, talks about voluntary contributions. Clearly inform each recipient that there is no obligation to contribute and that the contribution is purely voluntary. Provide each recipient with an opportunity to voluntarily contribute to the cost of the service. Voluntary contributions must be solicited if the method of solicitation is non-cohesive. Do not send out bills, invoices, or demand notice of payment. Statements are the only form that may be sent to a client requesting a contribution. Based on information ascertained from the Administration on Community Living in accordance with CFR 45, Code of Federal Regulation, program income will be utilized for expansion of services. 92.21 payment. Grantees and sub-grantees shall disperse program income, rebates, refunds, contract settlements, audit recoveries, and interest earned on such funds before requesting additional payments. Please read 92.25 Program Income A. Program income. Funds that are received from clients for the service they are receiving. These funds must be expended first to supplement and expand the program. Example, suggested contributions from eligible consumers, designated donations. What is local match? The non-federal share of cost that the grantee is required to contribute to accomplish the purpose of the grant. What are limitations of local match? Local match must be from non-federal sources. This means local match cannot be from any federal or state funding sources, except, there's always an exception, Wyoming Senior Services Board funding may be used for match. The same cash, effort, and/or goods cannot be used to match more than one project. Matching funds may include non-federal public or private funds, funds that are not used as match for any other federal program, is either the grantee organization's own funds, general revenue, or cash donations from non-third parties, partner organizations. In-kind match contribution. Form of the value of personnel, goods, and services. Grantees and third parties must document the contributed resource of value. For example, volunteer services, description of the activity, date of the activity, name and signature of a volunteer, number of hours worked. Thank you for listening to the YouTube video regarding funding sources from the new director's training on February 7th, 2018. If you have any questions, please call the Community Living section. Have a great day.